Setting the design background color transparent. Hi everyone, I'm Alex from PixTeller. I know many of you requested a tutorial that explains how to change the background color of any PixTeller design to transparent, so this is it. For this example, I will choose and use a pre-made design. Once the editor is open, you can see that the background color is on the yellow side. To make it transparent, I click on the color button from the design properties, and I'll change the opacity using the slider button. 0 represents full transparency, so I'll go with that. I can also use other values if I need to. My design now has a transparent background, so I'll save it. I hope this answers all of your questions and help you with your work on PixTeller. Until next time, I wish you a happy day. Goodbye. Register now on PixTeller.com. An easy-to-use poster, presentation, banner, social media image, or print design maker.